1. Introduction. The command center, operation console, control console, desks, chairs, and equipment are indispensable parts of the modern office environment. With the advancement of technology and the continuous improvement of people's requirements for the comfort of the office environment, the development history of these devices has become increasingly rich and diverse. This article will take you through the development history of the operation console, control console, table and chair equipment in the command center, allowing you to understand its evolution process and important milestones. 2. Origin and initial development. The operation console, control console, table and chair equipment of the command center originated from military command centers and transportation dispatch centers. In these environments, operators need to sit at the operation console for long periods of time to carry out monitoring and command work, so they require comfortable and fully functional equipment to support their work. The initial command center operation console, control console, table and chair equipment was mainly composed of sturdy wooden tables and chairs to meet the needs of the operators. 3. Technological innovation and diversified development. With the advancement of technology and the continuous optimization of the working environment for operators, the operation console, control table, and chair equipment in the command center have undergone multiple technological innovations and functional upgrades. In the 1990s, with the wide application of computers, accessory devices such as computer displays and keyboard stands began to appear on operation consoles. The emergence of these devices has greatly enhanced the working efficiency and comfort of operators. In recent years, the operation console, control table, and chair equipment of the command center have further diversified and developed. According to the demands of different industries and working environments, designers have developed a wide variety of devices such as height-adjustable, foldable, and rotatable ones. In addition, ergonomics has also become an important consideration in equipment design to ensure that operators have the best working experience during long working hours. 4. Future outlook. As people's requirements for the working environment are getting higher and higher, the development prospects of the operation console, control console, table, and chair equipment in the command center are very broad. In the future, we can look forward to the advent of more intelligent and user-friendly devices, such as smart chairs with functions like heart rate monitoring and posture reminders, as well as operation consoles that support virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. 5. Conclusion. Through the review of this article, we have understood the development and evolution process of the operation console, control console, table and chair equipment in the command center throughout history. From the initial wooden tables and chairs to modern diverse equipment, these developments are all aimed at providing a more comfortable and efficient working environment. In the future, we look forward to these devices further meeting the needs of operators and bringing more convenience and innovation to their work.